Welcome to my first vlog. What's going on guys, Mark Fox here, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to shoot drone footage for a construction client of mine. We have 4 sites to visit today, so I'm hoping that everything goes swimmingly. I've just checked the weather, it looks like it's perfect conditions to fly, so we're going to get on the road now. So what's up guys, Mark Fox here again. So we're on to our second site. I know I didn't film at the first site, it was just too busy, so we're on the second site now. The weather is amazing, it's actually really sunny outside, so that's the best possible outcome. I have to call the air traffic control, I have to call the site manager of the site, and then we can get airborne. Time to call the site manager. Done. Now to call the air traffic control. We're good to fly. Actually, before we get flying, you might have noticed in the back seat there, I have a battery on the back seat, and I want to just quickly show you my little setup here. So I have my battery right there, and it's charging up from the last job, and it's running into the back where I have a 12-volt battery charger, so I can keep my batteries charged on the go. It's actually really handy when you need to be able to keep batteries charged up and be ready for the next flight. So at this point I'm checking my sensors, I'm checking my compass, I'm checking to see if the drone is in good nick, and I'm checking if there's anything in the surroundings that might inhibit my takeoff. So these are all the kind of pre-flight checks that I do before I take off. Once they're done, I'm ready to get airborne. Taking off. So you might have noticed we're in a different location now, and the reason for this is because when you fly your drone, if you stay stationary, objects will get in your way between you and the drone, and in order to have a complete safe flight, you need to always make sure to maintain visual line of sight. Okay, so we're done our drone flight and we're ready to land. So the same process of calling the air traffic control before the flight, I have to call them again after the flight to let them know that I'm grounded. Done. On to next one. So just like the first site, the last 2 sites are too busy to film at, so what I'm going to do is complete the flight and then do a catch up when I get back to base. I'm just back from finishing my drone flights for today, and I have to say I am really happy with the footage that I got. I am now going to upload it to my hard drive and import it into my editing software and get ready to edit those videos. I can't show you any of the footage that I got because my client has to approve of it before I upload it, but if you guys are interested in looking at previous jobs that I have done for this client or any of my other clients, you can check out my business page, which is Altitude. I'll leave a link in the description to the YouTube channel, and you can check out all the videos I've done over there. I hope you enjoyed my first vlog, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.